Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss question number 11 to 20 of gaseous state from problems in physical chemistry for JEE mains and advanced by Narendra Basti. In question number 11, equal volumes of all gases at the same temperature and pressure contain equal number of particles. Okay, so in this case volume is directly proportional to mole when temperature and pressure is constant. This is known as Avogadro's law. So directly it is option A which is correct. In question number 12, a 2.24 liter cylinder of oxygen at 1 atm and 273 Kelvin is found to develop a leakage. When the leakage was plugged, the pressure dropped to 7570 mm of Hg. Okay, so initially it is 760 mm of Hg and finally it is 570 mm of Hg. So this pressure difference is directly proportional to the number of mole which is already removed from the system, okay, or escaped from the system. So this pressure difference 760 minus 750 divided by 760, because you have to convert it in atm only. Okay, this is the pressure difference. Volume is 2.24 liter. Number of mole change are 0.0821 and temperature is 273 Kelvin. Okay, so this is nothing but delta PV equal to delta nRT. Okay, so number of mole will be equal with 190 into 2.24 divided by 0.0821 273 760, or it will equal to 0.025. Okay, so number of mole which is escaped from the system will be 0.025. Option A will be the correct option. In question number 30, we know that P V equal to nRT or P equal to nR by V equal to T. Okay, so if number of mole versus P plot, V and temperature is constant. Okay, so P equal to RT by V multiplied by N. So if you plot pressure versus number of mole at temperature and volume constant, it will give a y equal to mx kind of plot. Okay, which is straight line passing through origin with the slope of RT by V. So option C will be the correct option. You have to find the correct one. In question number 14, as we know, 1 atm is nearly 1.013 bar. So 0.0821 atm will be 0.0831 bar. Okay, so unit of R is 0.0821 liter atm, Kelvin inverse, mole inverse, and it is equal to 0.031 liter bar, Kelvin inverse, mole inverse. Okay, 0.0831, sorry, 0.0831 bar, liter, mole inverse, Kelvin inverse. So option C will be the correct option. In question number 15, at 0 degree centigrade and 1 atm pressure, a gas occupies 100 ml of volume. If the pressure is increased to 1.5 times and pressure is increased by 1/3 of the absolute temperature, then final volume we have to find. So here we can apply P1 V1 by N1 T1 equal to P2 V2 by N2 T2. Now we can use the information, that is, if initial pressure is P initial volume is 100 ml. Number of mole is constant, so we can cancel it. Initial temperature is 273. Now the final pressure is 3 by 2 of P. We have to find the final volume, and this temperature is 4 by 3 multiplied by 273. Okay. Now pressure will cancel. 273 will cancel. So V will become 4 by 3 multiplied by 100 divided by 3 by 2, or 8 by, sorry, this will be 100. 8 into 100 divided by 9, okay, which is 88.9 ml. So option B will be the correct option. In question number 16, 10 gram of a gas at 1 atm and 273 Kelvin occupies 5 liter. The temperature at which the volume becomes double for the same mass of the gas at the same pressure is. Okay. So here we can again apply P1 V1 by N1 T1 equal to T2 V2 by N2 T2. Okay. Now we can put the values, that is 1 into 5 divided by given weight by molecular weight, which will give the number of mole, multiplied by 273. This is the initial condition. Final condition, same pressure, so pressure is again 1. Okay, twice of its volume, so 5 into 2, and given weight is same, and we have to find the temperature. So this will cancel, this will cancel. So T will become 2 into 273 Kelvin, or 273 degree centigrade. Okay, so option C will be the correct option. For question number 17, for Gay-Lussac's law, P is directly proportional to T. Okay, so P equal to KT, and this T is in absolute temperature, so we can write that 273 plus T degree centigrade, or P equal to 273 K plus K into T degree centigrade. So this is a constant. So this is a plot of Y equal to C plus M into X. Okay, so this is a Y equal to mx plus C kind of plot. Okay, so it can't be A because this is a Y equal to mx plot. Okay, so does not represent. In that case, 17 A will be the correct option. In question number 18, we have density of A by density of B equal to MA by MB, TB by TA, and according to the problem, half MA by MB equal to half. The relations are given there. So MA by MB will become 1:1. So option A will be the correct option. In question number 19, two separate bulbs contain ideal gases A and B. The density of gas A is twice of that of gas B. The molecular mass of A is half of the gas B. The two gases are at the same temperature. The ratio of the pressure of gas and gas B you have to calculate. Okay. So we can start like that. We know that PV equal to nRT, or we can write PV equal to W by M RT. Okay, or PM by RT, or we can write it like this also, P equal to W by V RT by M, or D RT by M. Okay, so now we can write that PA by PB, that is DA by DB, to MB by MA. Okay, because other things are constant. So now we can write that dA by dB, density of gas A is twice of density of gas B, and the second thing is the molecular mass of A is half of that is B, so this will be 2 again. So PA by PB, it will become 4 by 1, or it will be 4 is to 1. Okay, so we can have a correct option, which is option C. For question number 20, volume of the air that will be expelled from the vessel of 300 ml when it is heated from 27 degrees centigrade to 37 degrees centigrade. Okay, same thing, P1 V1 by N1 T1 equal to P2 V2 by N2 T2. Okay, so here we have same pressure. We are thinking the number of mole of also is constant, so here it is V1 by T1 equal to V2 by T2, and according to the problem, V1 is 300 ml when T1 is 300 Kelvin. We have to calculate V2 when it is 310. So V2 is 310. This is the final volume. This is the entire volume, but we have to find the amount of air which is expelled. So we have to calculate delta V. So finally it is 310. Initially it is 300. So change in volume, that is 10 ml or 10 centimeter cube. So option C will be the correct option. Thank you for watching.